Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, we're discussing the K-3, the IR-1, and the CR-1 visa. Now, I'm making this mostly from the perspective of those, in this case, we do a lot of visas down here in Thailand as well as Cambodia, to a lesser degree Laos and Myanmar, although not recently, and sometimes Singapore, Malaysia, maybe Vietnam, Southeast Asia generally, Philippines as well. But basically we're talking generally about, or we're talking in the context, especially with the K-3, of marriage to an American citizen. The IR-1 and CR-1 categories, this may pertain to marriage to a lawful permanent resident. And so this analysis can kind of be pertinent to all of those sort of in a blanket way. We're doing this analysis in response to a recent announcement by USCIS. It's on uscis.gov. Announcement is titled, USCIS averts furlough of nearly 70% of workforce. And this is good news on its face. They are not, it looks as though they're not going to furlough about 2/3 of their workforce due to various budgetary issues, and I'm not going to get into all that, but it appears that the furlough is not going to happen. But, you know, if every cloud has a silver lining, maybe every silver cloud has a dark lining, and sort of invert that phrase. And that's kind of what we're looking at here. If you drill deep into this announcement, which we're going to do, you'll see that there's more to this. Quoting directly, the additional cost savings, and that's the savings that they had to generate in order to keep the furlough from happening. The additional cost savings come through the de-scoping of federal contracts that assist USCIS adjudicators in processing and preparing case files, as well as a myriad of other support activities. Anticipated operational impacts include increased wait times for pending case inquiries with the USCIS contact center, longer case processing times, and increased adjudication time for aliens adjusting status or naturalizing. So they come out and say it, longer case processing times, and they don't state a specific category. So that's a blanket statement, and I think it's safe to presume we're going to be looking at longer processing times associated with the marriage visas, not only marriage visas sought for Thai nationals, but not only regionally, but it looks like globally. We're simply going to see petitions for CR-1, IR-1, and K-3 visas taking a longer time to process when compared to times past.